Okay, so let's research free websites to see what we can find about Michigan's dog bite statute. And we see a .gov official looking website. This is the legislature's website, so that looks pretty good. We have chapter 287, section 351. Okay, I'm going to pause the screen and just read this. So, I'll pause the video. You can pause the screen if you want to read this. So it looks like Michigan has a strict liability rule here. If a dog bites a person, regardless of a whole bunch of things, then the dog owner is liable for damage. Okay, so there is the dog bite statute for Michigan. And the question in the practice is how many cases interpret this section? And the answer is we don't know because we're on an official website and it's not cross-referenced. There are no annotations. So I'm going to take this here, the chapter in the section, and I'm going to pop it into Westlaw. Okay, now I could do MIST in Westlaw or MCL. Either one will get me to the statute. You can see my jurisdiction was set to Florida there, but that doesn't matter when you put in a citation. It'll take you right to the source whenever you do a citation. Okay, so here we are in April of 2023, and there are 102 notes of decisions or cases that interpret this dog bite statute. So here is quick links to all of these cases, and they're organized by this table of contents over here. So you can see the beauty of paying for Westlaw and Lexis. You get these cross-references built right into the statute. Otherwise, you'd have to go to a free website like Google Scholar, then go to case law, and then search up dog bite statutes on your own. It takes more time, but you could certainly do it. Okay, I just popped over to Lexis, so let me put in the same statute into Lexis, and then that should take us right to the statute here, which it did. And then in Lexis, we know we just scroll down to below the statutory language and we have our annotations and notes to decisions, and here are the cases. You can see that some of the cases are the same and some of the cases are not. So that's because you have different employees, some at Lexis, some at Westlaw, finding different things and kind of making judgment calls on what really relates to it and what does not. So here we can see, let's see how many cases we have. 54 cases here. So this doesn't mean that Lexis is not as good as Westlaw. Sometimes Westlaw has more cases. Sometimes Westlaw has fewer cases than Lexis does. That's just kind of what we're looking at for this particular statute. Okay, so hopefully from this practice you took away the difference between the official, the unofficial, and now you know how to quickly slingshot from codified law to case law using those great annotations.